Wales head coach Matt Sherratt will lead his team into Saturday's second test against Japan, determined to end a torrid run of 18 consecutive defeats. Last weekend's loss in Kitakyushu, where Wales led with 20 minutes to go, was a bitter blow, and Sherratt admitted the squad were given space to grieve before refocusing. The coach credited British and Irish Lions boss Andy Farrell for the approach. He told me sometimes after emotional games, players just need time to grieve, and it made complete sense, Sherratt said. Then we went factual. The score was 19-7 to us at 60 minutes. We lack set-piece attention late on, and we need to fix that to win. The morale shift has been clear since last year. If you saw in training, you wouldn't know this group had lost or won 10 in a row, Sherratt added. They're a good bunch, and we've got them back in the right place. Ospreys fly half Dan Edwards makes his first start in one of the 4 changes. He replaces Sam Costello while Freddie Thomas comes in for the injured Ben Carter. Aaron Wainwright starts at number 8 and Archie Griffin gets the nod at prop over Kieran Asarati. Sherratt believes Edwards brings a much-needed X-factor. Adding inspiration, Wales football manager Craig Bellamy visited the squad before their tour. His message resonated, as Scrum coach Adam Jones said. He told us if he was in a team that had lost that many games, he'd be excited to be the one to turn it around. That stuck with the group. The WRU's turmoil over the past 18 months has been no secret, and the future of Welsh rugby is still seemingly uncertain.
We need to re-establish faith and trust and confidence here for all of us, for our partners, for our stakeholders, for our rugby family as a whole.
Amid the disarray within the WRU, including structural reviews and ongoing questions about leadership, the national team remains under pressure. But Saturday's test in Kobe offers one final chance this season to end the losing streak and spark a long overdue reset.